In the previous lecture, I had told you how to install Visual Studio Code and how to configure its compiler. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. As you can see, the interface will be like this. But now some of you may having problem while running the code. As you tap on this play button, your code might be run in this output section. So how to change it and how to run the code in terminal section? Go to extensions, search here code runner. As you will find code runner, tap here and now install it. I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it. Again, type here C/C++ IntelliSense. Here we got this, and exactly you have to download this one, C or C++ IntelliSense debugging and codes browsing. Now as you have installed this, go to your setting. Here it is. Type here code runner and scroll down until you find run in terminal option. So I have found here it is. Tick this box and now go back and you will be running code in your terminal. Thank you.